Today we're going to make air-fried whole wheat mini pizzas. I'm sure the kids are going to love these ones. To make these, I'm going to need 200 grams of wheat flour, half a tablespoon of salt. I'm going to give it a good mix and dig a well in the center, and then I'm going to put dried yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. Now mix it all well, and I'm going to knead it into a good firm dough with the help of lukewarm water. I'll drizzle some oil, give it a good mix again, and I'm going to cover it and let it rest for around 1 hour. After an hour of proofing, I'm going to punch the dough down and release all the air bubbles. Give it a good knead again till the dough becomes nice and smooth. Let's roll it out and cut it into equal portions. Then shape it into balls. Roll it either with a rolling pin or with your hands. Next, we're going to prick the base so that it doesn't fluff up. Now add the tomato sauce, and top it with mozzarella and any topping of your choice. We're going to place it in the air fryer and air fry it for 6 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And voila, our pizzas are ready. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more wonderful recipes. Delicious!